Hey again, I am Mr. Domer here at Watertown High School, and I'm standing next to our Hurricane laser engraver that we're putting in this auction round for sale. We have raised enough grant money to purchase a new laser for our program. This laser here was purchased around 2013 or so, so it's done its time. This Hurricane laser is bed size of 400 millimeters by 500 millimeters, which is around 16 by 20, just a little bit under that actually. I currently have all the doors open to kind of show it right now. We'll be closing it up in a moment for that process. We have replaced a number of parts since we received this laser way back then. One of those is the power board back under there is replaced. We've also replaced the tube. I think we actually upgraded the tube from originally was a 60 watt laser. I think we've now got a 90 watt tube back there. We also have replaced the control board over here to be newer, which allowed us to just have a little more functionality with the software we're running. We're currently using Laser CAD as our control software on the computers to create our files for what we're doing. I'm going to go ahead and power this unit up and make a sample cut. It comes with the chiller for the water tube on it. We've got this connected to exhaust. And I've just got a simple file in here programmed, so here we go. We typically do a lot of cardboard and acrylic cutting with this for prototyping in our engineering classes. So primarily this is cutting those easy materials. Again, it's got a 90 watt tube in there. The machine originally was a 60 watt laser. It does have safety features in place to not turn the laser on when the door is open. You can run air assist on this. It's set up for that. We just have never plumbed in the air for that process. For moving around, all of the directions do move. The Z is actually backwards but goes up and down just fine. This originally came with an auto Z height adjustment. Hasn't worked in years, so we just use a height gauge and set it to the top of our material. We can set our origin anywhere on the table that we want it to be, and we can do box feature to figure out if it's going to fit in the space that we grab. We load our files currently through USB. Although it does have the USB cable coming out the back, you could run it standalone to a computer, which we did years ago until we loaded the software on the whole lab. So again, this is our Hurricane laser engraver that we are putting in the auction, fully functional and currently working. We've been using this in class for, like I said, good part of 10 years. We're just upgrading to a newer machine with newer software, bigger cutting area. Thank you.